Greetings from the road. It's Saturday morning. Beautiful day here. I'm in Massachusetts. You're looking at a house that Stanley built for his family back in 1961 of reclaimed bricks. This is on a property they called a farm. Several houses here on this acreage the family owns. His sister lives in this house. This house was built in the 1840s that you're seeing behind here. So there's been some exterior improvements, basically the windows, the placement of that, and there was an addition. So this is right behind Stanley's house. Greetings from the road. What a delightful surprise. I'm here Saturday morning with Stanley and Marilyn.
At least I made the bed.
You're looking at... Marilyn just said at least she made the bed. I don't care. This is a house that they built for their children in '61. I'm here to pick up a Model T that they're donating to the Model T Ford Club Museum in Richmond. And all you see here is memories of family. Here's the view out the front door, which is absolutely beautiful. We're going to take you around, and here's the kitchen. And here's these folks, and I've been sitting with them and visiting about Stanley's side of the family, which actually came to this area and settled it in the early 1800s. Here's their stove. And there'll be more of that in another video. I hope everybody's having a good day.